Bato,
Keep na lang kasi, keep.
bato.
Ring. Ulan.
Bato.
Pwede, keep.
Okay, bato. Okay. One, two, three, go. Bato, kick. One, two, three, go. Bato, kick.
Ready? So, this game is called Meron
What?
Meron
What?
This game is called Meron Okay, so meron. Ang game naman yung natawag na meron o wala. Okay, so either you have it or you don't have it. Okay? So kapag ang sagot nyo ay meron, if you have it, you have to jump to your right. Okay? Jump, or kahit hakbang lang. Okay? Ako na yung adjust. Sige. Kapag wala, if you don't have it, you have to jump to your left. This is the center, okay? Bigyan kayo sa ceiling yung hanggan na yan, that's the center, okay? So again, if you don't have it, you choose to say you don't have it, you have to jump to your right. If you choose to say you don't have it, you have to jump to your left. Okay? Okay, hindi pag meron. Taluntanan. Kapag wala, talon sa akin. Isa lang. Pwede rin wala. Pwede wala. Okay, try tayo. Meron o wala, go. Wala. Pipili muna kayo. Meron o wala, go. And then, nakapili tayo, that's the only time I will review this question. Already? Meron o wala, round? Straight line, please. Meron o wala, jump.
Okay, kapsun. I always have that. Okay, game na ba yan? Go.
Pero ang saksa. Isa lang.
Bakit dalawang matay? Uy, kasi.
Kailangan ko ba malalagyan? Sabi ko konti.
May mas pa ako.
Sa'yo mananalo. Sa'yo mananalo. Dapat din natin sa kalipay.
Eh, nagka-crack yung TV.
Ang ganang sa nagpapit ako. Ito na naman kita yung atak ka.
Alam, ito sa pagkakaan na.
Go, go, go!
Bakit tayo?
Natumawa ka.
What? B-H-A? B-W. Ha-ha-ha. Ay, ayun. Ay, ay, ang nails mo yan. Pero baka naman ito.
Ang ganang may gawin may ate. May gawin.
Dapat chicken naman yung galing.
May
Uy, manalo sa dalawa.
May mo na yan.
Ano? Dapat kita mo naman. Ay, tatry kayo, no?
Grabe,
Ay, teacher.
Dalawa lang kayo. Ay, lapit. Ay.
May given. Nakita ka din.
Tira! Pitik na!
Eh, ito madami na lang. Tapos na
Ba't
po.
mo may nagdaan? Ate, sorry. Oh my God. Ba't yung niya?
Kailangan ng tagal.
Sorry, guys.
Let's go. Inis mo, ano, agad.
Sorry. Ay, teacher, ay, nakakita mo. Ano naman? Alfonso! Ay, sa taraw!
But only one step.
Okay.
Please check if your names are here.
Sige, guys.
How much? Winner takes it. Para sa specs, I'm going to have it this way, flip side. Don't worry, I won't manipulate.
And then actually, si Wilton. Ay, pinindot pa niya, no?
Sit.
Gawin na!
Another one.
Gawin na!
It's
Handa! Sorry, guys.
ilong.
Allergic po yan.
Ano yung oras?
Okay, 1 minute and 15 seconds.
Okay.
1 minute and 10 seconds.
Oh, 1 minute! 1 minute! Ay, nakawin natin! Oh, go to 50 seconds! 50 seconds! Oh my God!
Ah, 22 seconds.
May tapos na tayo dito. Sumapahimbing ako!
20 seconds.
Five, four, three.
May time na.
Wala na. Wala na. Oh, wala na.
Huwag na nakalitin. Ay!
Try lang yun, try. Okay na, okay na. Try lang. Try lang yan, try. Oh, ulit. Try lang yan. Okay na. Wala na pala tayo.
Thank you so much, Bring and Grace. Lahat ng gift nila sa amin.
Thank you din sa mga gift.
Thank you po! Thank you po! Thank you, guys!